Well, it's that time of year again, folks. Time to break out the weed killer. 8 ounces in. Need to make sure that we don't have any leaks though. This works without spraying all over the place. Do you know what I love just as much as a freshly sharp chain on your chainsaw? That's Camel City Mill Socks. We are proud to announce that Camel City Mills is a brand new sponsor to our channel. And let me tell you why. I've been wearing their socks for about a year now, here on the farm, as well as at work on that hard concrete all day long. And I've never had a more comfortable pair of socks. They keep your feet dry and comfortable at 100 degrees or 0 degrees. Best work sock that I've ever owned. Made out of 50% merino wool, 42% nylon. It's the best sock that I've found, and it keeps my feet cool and dry in the summertime and warm and dry in the wintertime, in all types of conditions. The same darn sock, year round. What I like about them is they're so comfortable, especially on the sole of your feet, and it has a raised up type of padding that really makes any boot comfortable. Plus, they're made in the USA. They fit well, even for my size, 15 feet. That's why I buy the Sasquatch. They come with a 10-year money-back guarantee, or they'll replace the socks, whatever you choose. So when I first heard about these socks, I thought I'd give them a try. I thought, how could any pair of socks make that much difference? Well, I'll tell you what, don't trust me, but trust your feet. Buy you a pair of Camel City Mill Socks, and you won't be disappointed. I guarantee that. So, if you're interested in trying a pair of socks out, or like I did, buy 10 pair and replace all those other drippy, droopy, stretchy socks that you have in your sock drawer, get rid of them, because you'll never go back once you wear a pair of these. So go check out Camel City Mill Socks at this link. can see. The forks can definitely handle it. I just don't have enough oomph in my tractor, even if I had the proper ballast. Size log there, and I'm not very proud of my hooking mechanism. I didn't have the right chain with me, so I just made do with that. It worked. Let's see what we got here as far as dimension wise. That's all poison ivy or poison oak, so hope I don't get a bunch of that. So we are looking at 25 inches. By 24. $25 by 24 on the top end. Right across there. Right across there is 28 inches. So 28 inches on the butt end. Might be more than that. 30, about 30, 28 by 30 on the butt end. So that's pretty good size pine. All right, dear. Thank you. I wound up needing her help, and she did a great job on this Kubota L3301, putting tension or pulling tension on that big 10-foot pine log that was connected to a stump that pulled out during the last storm. But anyway, we did it safely, and she was there to protect me. Otherwise, I would probably try to do it myself, which is a dumb idea.
Well, that worried me.
Yeah, you're not supposed to say that.
It worried me.
I think what she meant was she wasn't quite used to the tractor yet, so we had to go through a few minor details like the throttle and the accelerator pedal forward and reverse.
I was just praying that it wasn't going to go to the other
Especially
side.
on this, yeah, especially on this Kubota treadle pedal. Everybody loves them. They're fine for gravel and bucket work, but not for much use of anything else. Sort of inconveniencing in a way.
Well,
that's my rant. But anyway, we love our Kubota L3301 tractor. But you know what we love more is Camel City Mill Socks.
oh, you and your
break into a commercial.
Yeah, you and your Camel City socks.
Camel City Mills.
Camel City.
Camel City Mills.
Okay.
A proud new partner of our channel here on Peterson Farms of Nashville, and we're happy to have them. I've been using their product for over a year now, and it's held up well. And I'll tell you what, they're the most comfortable socks that I've ever purchased. Yes, they're a little bit more than your store, big box store socks, but I'll guarantee you'll get 3 times the wear out of these before you even consider replacing them over those big box store socks. So very pleased with them.
Praying.
So anyway,
Praying.
she was praying for me. That's great.
I was like,
But little does she know what really goes on out in the woods when she's not there. It's probably a good thing she's not.
yes.
It's probably a good thing that she's on these much more simpler projects and not some of the stuff we get into out in the woods. Of course, I'd never do that by myself. I'm smarter than that.
Well, I think we watched last year's.
Me and my brother, or me and Brayton, tackle those projects.
Yeah. I'm looking at these projects here, wondering how you're going to do them.
Yeah, well, got some other huge widowmakers right there. And they came down during the same time as that tree. But I don't know. We'll figure it out sometime. But anyway, you got anything to say to our almost 40,000 subscribers?
Well, I want to thank them very much.
Yeah. Thank each and every one of you for joining the channel here and coming along for the ride. And we invite those who may be not subscribed to take a chance on us and subscribe up. Doesn't cost you a darn thing. And you just get videos as we post them pushed out to you.
And I get to see all the crazy stuff that he does right along with you guys. Other than knowing his editing, I can hear what's going on. But to actually see the final project and just shake my head and go, huh? That's okay.
Could never have done it without a tractor, right?
Right. Even though I was against it.
You were what?
I was against it.
but
now,
yeah,
you needed it.
Now you're driving it and using it. Done so much more stuff around the property here that we never would have even attempted without a tractor.
Well, I don't think he wants me to get too used to it, because then he may be coming home and seeing me pulling things. And
you know what is better than having a tractor? A bigger tractor.
Oh, I thought you were
or
going to...
excavator.
Oh.
Excavator, we can get those trees out of there, no problem.
What?
Easy peasy.
Told you, honey, you gotta win the lottery.
Or let's see, if we could just get up to 100,000 subscribers, Phil could buy an excavator, maybe afford the payments anyway on a monthly basis.
I know.
It's all up to you, folks. It's all up to you. So push that button, help Phil get an excavator.
You never know when he may come help you.
That's right. I just got done helping a neighbor out tonight. Spreading gravel. You'll see a little bit of that on this video as well.
Well, thanks again, everyone. You have a great evening.
All right. So thanks again for joining along with Peterson Farms of Nashville here in Nashville, Indiana. I'm Phil.
And I'm Tammy.
And we hope God blesses you all.
Until next time.
That's right. So anyway, can't wait to get this on the Mechmaxx 36-inch sawmill, hopefully tomorrow, if the weather holds out. And he'll make some nice pine siding to finish up the barn here, or at least get the barn started, along with the other siding we've already cut off the sawmill. So hope you enjoyed the randomness of the video today, but that was just basically yesterday evening, and this is Friday evening. Just getting a few things done and accomplished here on this farm, as well as our neighbor's place. They'll probably be calling me tomorrow to help spread the stone that they're having delivered to put on top of the number 3s that we had already laid those out, graded those out. So should make a nice little driveway for them. Thanks for stopping by Peterson Farms of Nashville. We hope you enjoy this kind of content. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that like button on the way out and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a darn thing. And you'll see all kinds of other things we got coming up this late spring, early summer, and throughout the rest of the summer into the fall. So got a lot of things going on, and we'll be sharing those here on the farm on our videos. And if you don't mind, hit the hype button. It's down there on the little comment line. If you slide it to the left, the hype button will come up and you just click on that. It does help the videos. It promotes them and pushes them out to a wider, bigger audience. So we appreciate y'all. So till next time, God bless you and have a great weekend. Be safe and be with family.